Very good morning to all my kids. Welcome to my online e-learning classes. Student, as you know that we have started our GK and we have reduced so many chapters from the GK. So we will do only those chapters which are in your course because your syllabus has been reduced. And today we have covered the chapter 27, and now today I am going to start a new chapter of your GK, that is meat eating plants. As you know that the topic of this chapter, that is meat eating plants, and it means the plants which eat meat, or we can say that plant which eat smaller microorganism or insects. So these plants are also termed as insectivorous plant as well as carnivore, because you know that the plants have three categories. Carnivore is one of them. So carnivores, the plants which eat the smaller microorganism like insects, flies, the cockroaches, and so many other type of microorganism. So these are insectivorous plants or carnivores. So in this category, so many names of the plants are there, like pitcher plant, bladderwort, butterwort, so Venus flytrap. So these are some of insectivorous plants which we will learn in this chapter. And now without any delay, let us begin the chapter's theoretical portion. So please take out your GK book and note down all the answers with the pencil only. Okay? So children, then chapter 29, meat eating plants, as I have discussed the topic meat eating plants. So the plants which eat meat means which eat insects, other and smaller organisms. They are the plant are meat eaters or the insectivorous. We can say the insectivorous. So there are some plants that eat meat. They are called carnivorous plants or insectivorous plants, because these plants eat the other organisms or other living creatures or insects. That is why they are known as carnivorous plants or insectivorous plants. They have some cunning devices. Cunning means they have some clever devices, or they have some clever secretions or the body structure for trapping the other organism. Trapping means for catching their prey. Okay, prey means shikar, especially insects. They catch the insects. So below are given the pictures and descriptions of some carnivorous plants. Can you identify them? So children, you have to identify these plants. They are carnivorous plants because they eat other insects and they eat the meat. So they are carnivorous, or we can say that they are insectivorous. So there are some pictures given here. You can see first, second, third, fourth and fifth. And last question is the sixth question. So we have in this chapter we have 6 questions and the 6 pictures also. The first picture is of sundew, then butterwort, then Venus flytrap, then bladderwort, then you can see the Sarracenia, then this is a pitcher plant. So these are the picture or images of the insectivorous or carnivore plants. So we have to identify the plants which belongs to the questions. So let us read the first question, and this is, it has jaw-like leaf trap. It has jaw. You know the jaw, the mouth, our mouth which have the teeth and tongues. So and they secrete. Our mouth also secretes some saliva. Okay. So similarly, it has jaw-like leaf trap. When an insect land on the leaf, the jaws clamp shut around the insect. Okay, means as the plant actually look like a jaw, means the leaves, see, the leaves are like a jaw, and there are two parts, the leaf have two parts, and as the insect sit, it actually shut down immediately. It closes, and the insect which is sitting inside the leaf, the two jaws of the leaf immediately close. Okay, immediately shut down. So so the insect which is sitting inside it become trapped, and the digestive juices which are secreted by the walls of the leaf, these juices digest the insect, okay, which is already trapped inside the jaw. Okay, so this plant is Venus fly trap. According to the question, the answer or the plant will be Venus fly trap. Okay, trap means किसी को पकड़ लेना, किसी को फंसा लेना जाल में. So that is trap. Venus fly trap. So mostly insects are trapped by the plant. The next is, this aquatic plants has small bladders that act as traps for tiny water insects. Okay, so this is aquatic plant, means these plants are found in the inside the water or near the water, and they plant have small bladders. Bladders are the empty pouch that act as trap. They look like, and they behave like a trap for tiny water insect, smaller water insect. Okay, they trap the smaller water insect because the plant is also a aquatic plant. So this is the answer is the bladder wort. The answer is bladder wort. W-O-R-T, wort. And you can see the picture here, children. See the picture of bladder wort. This is the picture. Okay, now the next question. Our next question, third. It has many pictures. Pictures, pot. Okay, it has many pictures. When an insect sits on the slippery surface or rim of the pitcher, it falls down into the water below. So you can see the pitcher. Yeah, it is like a pitcher, and there is a lid also. It is a pitcher and the lid. As any insect sits here, it immediately slip because it is a very slippery surface. So it goes inside the pitcher, and here the digestive juices become activate, and they digest the insect which is inside this pitcher. Okay, so this is the answer number third. Pitcher plant. Now the question number 4. This plant has hairy, sticky tentacles. Tentacles are the we can say the arms, okay, which are hairy, full of hair, and sticky, so that the insects easily stick with the plant. These tentacles quickly tighten their grip around the insects that sit on them. As the question answer number 4 is sundew. You can see the plant. It has tentacles like so many arms which are hairy, full of hair. If you can see it, so many hairs you can see. So hairs, full of hairs, and the tentacles are sticky in nature. So they easily stick, or say easily make a good grip on the insect which are coming towards the plant, and which sits on the tentacles. Okay, so the answer is sundew. Now the question number 5. It has deep tubes in which insects fall down The nectar on the wall of the tubes make difficult for the insects to climb out. So this is answer number 5. It is Sarracenia. Answer is Sarracenia. You can see the picture here. It is also like a tube, long tubes in which insects fall down. Insects fall inside the tube, and the nectar on the wall of the tubes. There are so many nectars. Sweet flower juice is known as nectar, and this nectar make the path of the insect difficult. So the insect which is trapped inside the tube will not come out from the long tubes. So answer is Sarracenia. And the last one, that is 6th question. Its leaves ooze a deadly glue. Insects get stuck when they sit on the leaves. So this is the answer number 6. The answer number 6 is butterwort. So this is the answer number 6. Butterwort. Okay. So ooze means, the meaning of ooze. Ooze means flow. So the leaves of this plant flows a very dangerous and poisonous glue like secretion, and insects get stuck because what is the role of glue? It by the help of glue we can paste anything. So similarly, insect gets stuck when they sit on the leaves. You can see the picture, butterwort. So the animal will stuck with the help of the flow of the poisonous glue. So answer number 6 is butterwort. Acha, there is a froggy speaks also. So what the froggy speaks? The jaw of the Venus flytrap will shut only if it is touched twice in 20 seconds. So first of all, Venus flytrap. See, this is a Venus flytrap, and it will close. It will close. Both the jaws will close only in that condition when the two parts are touched twice, 2 times in just 20 seconds. Means within 20 seconds, if it is touched 2 times immediately, then only it will become close. Okay, so this is all for today, children. Do it in your book with the help of pencil only and start learning the answers. So thank you for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe.